As a certified arborist with over 15 years of experience in Houston, I need to share something important about tree safety in our unique climate. Since Hurricane Beryl, I've personally assessed over 300 trees across the greater Houston area. What I've found is concerning, but more importantly, it's preventable. Houston sits on expansive clay soil. This soil has unique properties that affect tree stability in ways most homeowners don't understand. When clay soil absorbs water, it can expand up to 10% of its original volume. When it dries, it contracts just as dramatically. This constant expansion and contraction doesn't just affect your foundation, it gradually compromises tree root systems over time. A tree that appears healthy above ground may have significant root damage below the surface. Here's how we determine if a tree is dangerous. First, we measure the lean angle. Any tree leaning more than 15 degrees from vertical requires immediate attention. Second, we examine the root flare and soil conditions around the base. Third, we assess the overall health of the canopy and trunk structure. As a licensed and insured tree service, we provide comprehensive documentation for insurance purposes. Many homeowners don't realize that preventive removal of dangerous trees is often covered under their homeowner's policy. We work directly with your insurance adjuster and provide detailed reports that support your claim. Our 24/7 emergency service isn't just about convenience, it's about safety. Dangerous trees don't wait for business hours. When you call 877-454-7964, you're not just getting a tree service. You're getting certified arborists with the expertise to properly assess and safely remove hazardous trees. We're fully licensed, bonded, and insured. We carry $2 million in liability coverage, and our crew is trained in the latest safety protocols. Don't trust your family's safety to just anyone. Call the professionals. 877-454-7964, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Professional tree assessment and removal by certified arborists.